morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West, wishing you life and direct from the heart of Africa. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. This is the place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I'm going to be talking about this very ointment here called Alhajji Abdulliahi spiritual oil. I'm going to talk about the use of this in African spirituality. This ointment is Arabian ointment. I don't really know where it is made. The origin is a little bit vague, but it may likely be Nigeria or somewhere in the North African continent. The name is Alhajji Abdulliahi, and one of the main thing you need to know about is that it is kind of Arabic. It's a native ointment of Northern Africa, as in Tunisia, Libya, Morocco, Egypt, and the Sahara Desert. Those are the people that are using this stuff. But in African spirituality, it is also very popular because it is unique. From my use and experimentation with these ointments, I can say that it is very, very effective for many things. You can use it for cleansing your house, cleansing of space. You can use it for even treating wounds. It is like iodine, smells almost like iodine, but it is a spiritual ointment and it's very, very hot. So far, I can say confidently that this is the hottest spiritual ointment that I have come across. This ointment is like, if you are familiar with, how would I say, tiger oil from China. That Chinese balm, that tiger balm that is very hot. This is much more hotter than the tiger balm. Okay, this thing burns. You can literally peel out your skin. It's very powerful. It peels plastic. This thing you're seeing here, it destroys plastic surfaces. This thing taught me a bitter lesson. It almost removed half of my face. So you can use this for massaging people, maybe somebody that have an abscess in their body or broken bones or pain that have a kind of, how will I say, strain in the muscles that need massaging, need really hot massage. You can use this very well for massaging, and it's going to work very well. Okay. Apart from that, you can use it to clean your house. If you want to clean a space, to purify the place, it is very effective. It smells like iodine. If you're familiar with iodine, it smells like that. And it's very, very hot. You can use it for spiritual baths. Very clear. One thing it does is that it enhances the third eye. It gives you focus. That spiritual focus, you feel it almost instantaneously just by holding this bottle. Or opening the bottle, you can feel the vibration of this thing. This is not an ordinary oil. Okay, this is something that you need to go out there and see for yourself. That is why I'm bringing it to this channel, so that people will know that something like this works. It's a very powerful oil. By holding it, you will feel the power of this thing. Opening and putting on you, you put it, just take a tiny drop, put on your forehead here, you will feel the power of this thing. Okay, this thing works very, very well, and I have tested it. Thing almost took half of my face. It was so hot. It's not like Bintel Sudan or Aruna oil or perfume Dona or Saint Jamaica, one of those other oils you can just rub all over your skin. This thing, if you rub it on your skin, if it gets too much, it will burn you. It's going to mess up your day, trust me. If you want to use it on yourself, just take a tiny drop to put on your body. Just one drop is okay. Don't put like a teaspoon of this on your hand and use it to bathe like other perfume. This is very, very powerful stuff. Okay. The name is Alhajji Abdulliahi, and they use it for favor. If you feel that you have been jinxed, spirit, you want to wash out any negative vibration, those kind of vibration, or those kind of maybe atmosphere that is down, that is drowsy, depressing out. You want to just wipe it out. This is very, very effective with the power. The way this works is going to wipe out all kind of negative vibrations instantly. It's not going to wipe them, but it's going to chase them away from you. If there's an evil spirit in a place, you apply this, you sprinkle the water mixed with this, it will chase them out of the place. This is one thing that you need, that will take out evil spirit, bad spirit from your environment as fast as possible. This is very powerful for that stuff. So this Dr. Abdulliahi, this Alhajji Abdulliahi ointment is a very, very powerful ointment. So I want you guys to try it. You can use it for spiritual bath. Take like a teaspoon of it, add it to your bathing water, mix it with salt or any other thing, use it for bathing. You're going to feel the effect. The good thing about it is that you will feel the effect instantly. As you are using it, you are feeling it instantly. Even when I'm talking about it right now, it is vibrating on my hands. I can actually feel it. This is a very, very powerful ointment. You really need to get your hands on it, and you need to start using it. Okay, you can use it for many things. You can use it for purifying your house. You can use it for massaging broken bones and stressful ligaments. You can use it for favor. If you want to get attraction from people, you want people to listen to you, you want people to be more responsive to you, you can add a little bit of it on your body cream and be using it to rub. Okay, it's very powerful, and it vibrates. Immediately you open it, you hold the bottle, you can feel it. If you are sensitive, you can feel the atmosphere will change instantly. You feel the vibration. It's a very good vibration and powerful vibration. Okay, so you can use it for many things, but I need to warn you, it is very, very hot. Pray that this does not get into your eye. This thing can blind your eye. It's very, very hot. When I was using it, I thought that it was like other oil. I used to rub some part of my face. Man, it burns like fire. It was like I was on fire. Whoa, it even destroyed some of my plastic items, my plastic idol. I used it to anoint some of my plastic idols. It melted them, even my plastic table surface. It melted, peeled the surface. This thing is very hot. It's like acid. What you are seeing here is like acid. This should not get too much on your skin. God forbid, should not get in your eyes, should not even get into your mouth. It's a very hot stuff. It's not like other ointment you can rub in your armpit and on your pubic hair. Pray this does not get on your private parts. You are going to see hell. Okay, it's it's the hottest ointment I have come across. The hottest spiritual ointment. Okay, so you have to be careful when you're using this stuff. I need to warn you that it's very, very hot. But however, it is good for many things. It works instantly. Okay, immediately you apply it, you feel the effect instantly. Once you open it, the atmosphere changes instantly. So you need to get it. The name is Alhajji Abdulliahi. Alhajji Abdulliahi. You can type the name on Google. You will see it there. It's a powerful, very powerful oil, and I highly recommend it for use if you have stubborn case of those stubborn negative energy that are trying to want to hang around. This thing is going to take them out, going to wipe them, going to chase them away. Okay, if you want to do some powerful spiritual baths, you will need this. If you want to do some kind of powerful spell, you will need this. Okay, you want to massage broken bones and some kind of body pain, you are going to need this stuff. Okay, so his name is Alhajji Abdulliahi. I want you guys to check it out and tell me about your experience with the oil and tell me what you think about it. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Questions and comments are welcome. Like and share this video. Hit the notification bell close to the subscribe button so you'll be the first to get my videos. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. So take care and bye. Peace.